0 to 2 pi into negative 2 pi. So, do you see this graph in the, is it in there?
Yeah.
Okay, did you hit record?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, we're recording. All right, so number 1, you want to look at this number right here first. What is that? That's your new x-axis. So at 2 units below the original x-axis, you're going to do a broken line like this. You start there. That's your start. Now, look at your amplitude. It's a 1. And you're doing the cosine graph. The cosine graph starts high. So you're going to go 1 unit above, go above, on, below, on, above. So that is 1 full period. It looks like a cup, right? Now they want you to graph, I'm just going to draw this line right here. They want you to graph here, between here and here. So we have to fill in this spot. What happens is this is going to go backwards, this way, this way, this way, and this way. So it kind of looks like a W, doesn't it?
Yep.
Yeah, it looks like a W. Okay, number 2. Where's your new x-axis?
1 above.
1. So you're going to go 1 above. And this is the sine curve with a 1 amplitude. This one looks like a roller coaster. If you were at Cedar Point, you would start here and you go up, and then you go down, down, and back up. So it looks like this. Think of a roller coaster. Now we've got to go, because it says they want you to graph from 2 pi, negative 2 pi to 2 pi. So I want you to keep, you got to go backwards now. Looks like that. Number 3. Where's your new x-axis? Negative 3. You're going to draw a broken line at negative 3. And your amplitude, it's a sine curve with a 1 amplitude. So it's going to be on, above, on, below, on. Make your roller coaster. And then go backwards. Number 4, what are you going to do? Go 3 above. And this one's going to start where? 1 unit above the x, that new x-axis, because that's the amplitude, 1. And you're going to make it like a cup. I do my dots first, and then I connect them. Number 5. Where's your new x-axis?
3 above.
3 above, right here. Okay, now this one looks like a roller coaster, but a 2 is the amplitude. So you start here, and you're going to go 2 units above, on, go 2 below, and like that. So this is 1 full period like that. And then go backwards. Number 6. Where's your new x-axis? Negative 3. And this is the cosine curve with a 2 amplitude. Cosine starts above, 2 above. So we're going to start here, go 2 down. Cosine reminds me of a W. How we doing? Yes, no? Get it? Thumbs up? Good. Okay. Number 7, where do you start there? Where am I going?
Negative 2.
-2. Then what?
Go up 3.
Do I go up 3?
No.
Nope, it's a roller coaster. Starts here, and then go where?
Up 3.
Then go up 3. Back on. 3. Just like this. So it starts here, 2 below, and then it's gonna go 3 up, 3 down, or back. We say on, above, on, below, on, for sign. Okay, what about this one? 3 is the amplitude, but -1 is the new
X-axis.
x-axis. So you're gonna start at -1, and you start above that, you're gonna go 3 units above that x-axis. So 1, 2, 3. That's 1 full period, and then go the other way. So you, in the directions, it says graph from -2 pi to 2 pi. You want to follow the directions. We're following the directions. We started here, actually, and stopped right there. So that's 2 full periods. How about number 9? Where is the new x-axis? Where's the x-axis? It's the original x-axis. So where do you go from there? You just start here and do an amplitude of 3. Okay, backside, 9 more. Okay, number 10, what are you gonna do with that -3? What is it gonna look like? Is it gonna look like a cup? It's a -3, what does the -3 look like? A bell, a bell. So where's the x-axis? It's the original. So you're gonna go 3 below, right there, 3 below is the amplitude, and then you're gonna make it look like a cup, or not a cup, a bell. Looks like this. Like that, and then you gotta do the other side. Looks like an M. Number 11, what are you gonna do there? If it were a +3, it would look like a roller coaster, but what do you do with the -3? Instead of going up 3, what should we do?
Go down 3.
You're gonna go down 3, exactly. So you're gonna still start there. You're gonna go down, and you're gonna go on, above, and on. So it's just it's like backwards. And what makes it, it's a reflection over the x-axis because of that negative. You'd be multiplying all your y values by -3. Okay, number 12. What does that 1/2 do? Now, if we keep our scale the same, this is a 1 right here. So your graph is gonna start a half up. It's gonna look like this. And I know it's really hard to see this, that's why I kind of blew it up. But this is a vertical compression by a half. So it's in between. Number 13. What would you do there?
Go up to,
Go up 2, then what?
at the origin,
Uh-huh. You mean at the x-axis, the
Yeah.
new x-axis, do what?
we go up to,
Mm-hmm. Then what?
down,
Then what?
down,
Mm-hmm.
and go back.
Okay, and then go back the other way. You get this? How about number 14, where are you gonna start? -1. And go where? It's gonna look like a bell. So you do this. Like that. Now for 3/4, this one, you realize you're going 3/4 up from here, right? 3/4 up. Actually, you're gonna go 3/4 up. But what some people will do is they'll change their scale. They'll turn this into 1. And make this -1. What did I just do?
You just made it bigger.
Uh-huh, so I'm stretching my graph, and you can do that as long as you label. So this is gonna be like this. That would now be 3/4 from here to here. If you don't do something like that, it's gonna be really hard for me to see it. How about the next one? Where would you begin? Where's your x-axis? How do your graphs look? Are they neat? Okay, from there, where do you go? It's a roller coaster, but instead of normally going up 2, what are we gonna do?
Down to,
You're gonna go down 2, you're going backwards. How about 17?
Start at 0,
Start at 0,
down 3,
go down 3, good job. And the last one. Where do you start? -1, and do what?
go up 5. Start at 0.
Start at 0, and then go where? So what's your maximum value? 4. Good, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You want to go 5 off this axis. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You're going to go here. That's 4. So then from there, where do you go? You go back to 0. And then what?
down 5,
Down 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that should be -6. Yep.
we go back
Then
up.
to 0. And then what?
Near it over.
And then you want to go the other way because the pattern keeps repeating itself. Okay, this is your ticket out the door.
Your turn again.
I Everybody have it done?
Yes.
Let me see it. I'm going to check you off. Did you learn anything?
Yeah.
Did you get this? Okay, let me check everybody off.